Today we got a SK ratchet, SK USA. It's a push button ratchet, commonly called the Frankenstein ratchet. That's the profile. It's the anvil. Okay, let's take a look inside. First it has this ring, snap ring. That's very common. It's the same snap ring that all SKs have pretty much. See if I can get a good grip on it. Oh, there it goes. Here's the retention ring. And what you just pull it out. And here's the gear. And it has like a ring around the gear that helps hold it down. When the snap ring goes in the groove, it holds down this ring also. Separate ring. So look at the ring. Here's your gear and anvil. Pretty coarse. 24 teeth on this one. The ball detent. It's a good look at it. Feels normal. Not that tight, but serviceable. Okay. Now the switch. This is the pawl switch. You can see it has two teeth. Two teeth on each side. See the teeth engage the gear there. On that side. Engages the gear there. Those are the teeth for the paw. Okay, to take this switch out, what you do is you take one end and you spin this. You spin the switch around, like clockwise. But put your finger there because the ball is under pressure and it will shoot out. There it goes. Just pull it out. There's the ball, it just fell out. And here's your pawl switch. It's the ball bearing. It rides on a spring and then goes in and out to switch the action. See a switch. These are the teeth here for the pawl that engages the gear. Here's the teeth on this side. pretty simple. Pretty simple design. And here's the inside of the housing. That's the hole for the switch that it rides in. It's a huge head, especially with the switch sticking out. It's kind of feels sturdy, it's thick walls, but it might not be so great for tight spots. Oh, and there's the hole for the spring. We forgot the spring. There's your spring. Pretty sturdy spring. Has real good tension on it. That's the hole that the spring sits in. It has a cutout here for the snap ring. And pretty much that's it. To put this back together, you just take the spring, put it back in the hole there. Take your switch, facing down like that. I just put it in a little bit. Take your ball bearing. See if you can see this. You might not be able to see this. And put it on top of the spring in there. Okay. Now what I do, oops. Okay. So I hold the ball bearing down while I push this side in. Okay. When you feel it engage over the ball bearing, the edge of the switch, I press down here. Press down on top because the ball bearing is going to want to push the switch up here. So you grab the top of the switch that's just over the ball bearing. You put a little finger pressure on it, and then you slide the switch all the way through, and that's it. You put the gear in. It's working like it should. You put this retention ring over the gear. And the last thing you do is you take your snap ring and you put it in the groove. And that's it. And that's the SK push button Frankenstein Ratchet. If you like these videos, do me a big favor and give me a like. And if you can, also subscribe. And if you have any comments, put them below if you want to see any particular ratchets. If I have them, I'll put them up. Okay? So, thanks a lot. Bye.